So you can easily find your supply and demand levels with this indicator. Hello traders, welcome back to GolgiFx, and this is your boy Golgi. So in this video, we'll be looking at the Shved supply and demand indicator, which plots your supply and demand zones automatically on your chart. So this indicator can help you to identify potential levels for your trading. So at the end of this video, I'll show you where you can get this indicator to download. So if you're new to my channel, please like this video and subscribe to my channel to be notified on the coming videos. Traders, let's get into the video. So supply and demand gives us a great insight about the structure of the market that we are trading. One key element that helps traders to identify supply and demand levels is candlestick. So candlestick plays a very important role when it comes to supply and demand. By this video, I'll be showing you an automated indicator that can help you to identify these levels on your chart. So if I come to my view here on my chart and come to navigator, I'll add this indicator, which is the Shved supply and demand indicator. One thing that I mostly do with this indicator is I don't like the show week zones, so I add this one to false, and after that I click on OK. Also, after adding the indicator, one thing that you shouldn't forget is to also change this one to allow DDL import. You have to click on it and click on OK. So now I have my indicator on my chart. The indicator has a lot of levels. We have the verified support and resistance, we have the untested support and resistance, we have the weak support and resistance, we have the tested support and resistance, we have the proven support and resistance, and we also have the 10 code support and resistance. So currently on my chart, you can see here we have the verified resistance here, and this means that this level has been tested, and this is the second time or the third time this level is being tested again. So it's a verified resistance level. So as you can see here, as the market push within this level, we are seeing some short-term sells around this level. We also have the untested support, whereby this is the first time the market is testing this level, and as the market pushed the downside, it tested this level for the first time. That's why we are seeing an untested support here. We also have the weak support here, which I showed you how you can remove them. If you come to the indicator section, and you can see it is still here. That's why we are seeing the weak support here. Let me delete one. So if I close this indicator, we can see that now we don't have any weak support, because weak support levels, we mostly don't trade around this level. It's just a support or resistance level which came into the trend, which is not mostly used. So we are not going to use those weak support level on our chart. So if you look currently around this level too, we have the verified support, and like I said, this level has been tested, and this is the second time this level has been tested. So it's a verified support level on our chart. We also have untested support here, a verified level here, an untested support, and also an untested support here. So these are powerful supply and demand levels whereby traders should be looking at to place trade in this level. One key thing that helps us to identify that there is a supply or demand level are candlesticks. Like we said, around key levels whereby we see price tend to reject, and these levels tend to be powerful support and resistance or supply and demand level. So like you can see on our chart, if you use another pair like AUD, JPY, you can see that I've already added this indicator here, and you can also see the untested levels, and around this one you can see a 10 code support, and this one around this level the market was failing to break, but currently it has broken in and is now testing this level as a support level. That's why we are seeing 10 code support. So traders, this is how you can use the supply and demand indicator. It's a very simple indicator. You can add this indicator to your trading strategy so that it will be very easy for you to identify this level. rather than drawing it yourself. And you can also get the MT4 and MT5 version of this indicator. You can check in my description box below. I'll add both of them there so you can download and use this indicator, and it will help you and make trading easy for you. So traders, in my coming videos, I'll be showing you other indicators like the order block indicator and also the sentiment indicator, which you are seeing here. So traders, that's all for this video. I hope you like it. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.